Good day viewers, welcome to Dummies Hangout. Today's tutorial will be on prerequisites for 2022 JAMB registration. You should have already known that the 2022 JAMB registration commences on the 12th of February, which will run all through to 19th of March 2022. So it's advisable for you to register on time. But for this tutorial, I'll be giving you what I call the necessary guideline before you head to the accredited computer-based centers to complete your registrations. First of all, you need a working email address. So if you don't have one before now, you should think of creating an email account. But JAMB recommend that you use a Gmail instead of a Yahoo Mail due to the fact that Yahoo Mails sometimes delay in their responses. Maybe a code was sent to your mail. If you are using a Gmail, you will receive that mail fast compared to people who are using Yahoo Mail. So JAMB thought it wise that it is preferably to use a Gmail account for the whole process. So the next step after this requirement is a mandatory requirement. JAMB has made it mandatory that every JAMB candidate must have a national identity card number. And one unique thing about this national identity card number is that it has to be linked to that candidate's SIM card. So that means that whatsoever name you have on your national identity card has to correspond with the name which you use when applying for JAMB, alright? Because already your information is already on the national identity card database. And one thing again about this requirement is that do not use your SIM card which you have already used for your JAMB registration for anyone else. The SIM card is per candidate. So this requirement is somehow not compulsory at the moment, because during the registration process there is an option to select awaiting results. JAMB candidates that are still waiting for either their GCE or their WAEC results can as well use that option. Alright, this requirement here is where you create your JAMB profile page. This is a requirement for all JAMB candidates to have a JAMB profile page before heading to any accredited JAMB computer-based centers. Alright, so for you to create your JAMB profile page, there is a video after this requirement where I explain the procedures to create your JAMB profile page. The next requirement is your JAMB IBANs. Now most time people don't pay attention to this JAMB IBANs. They just go ahead and register for their JAMB. On your IBANs, you have the opportunity to check for your brochure, the universities who are offering a particular course that you want to choose. So from your IBANs, you must have known if this institution is offering a course that you want to study. So the next procedure is your JAMB profile code. Now once you have created your JAMB profile page, you need to have your JAMB profile code. And the procedure for you to get the JAMB profile code is you sending your 11-digit NIN number to 55019. Also, there is an alternative for those that are yet to get their NIN, which is compulsory. You can as well send your surname, first name, and other name to 55019, and you will receive your JAMB profile code. But before you head to accredited JAMB centers to finalize your registration, you must have gotten your NIN. So the next step is you going to any of the accredited computer-based centers to finalize your registration. So these requirements are prerequisites before you head to any of the accredited computer-based centers. When you head to your computer-based centers, you only need 4,000 naira as approved by the JAMB body. 3,500 naira is for JAMB e-pin, whereas 500 naira is for brochure. So let's head to and how create your profile page. Alright viewers, so this is the procedure for creating your JAMB profile page. You have to go and type this web address on your web browser, which is portal.jamb.gov.ng. Alright, so this is the JAMB website. So once this page opens up, you have to click on e-facility. You click on create e-facility account. So since you are not you don't have an account with them already, you click on create an account. Right, so these are the requirements for creating an account. I'll quickly fill in the details and get back to us. Alright viewers, so I've put in the required details, but I want you to look at this important notice, which is one of the things I warned earlier. It says that Yahoo mails are not encouraged due to delay in delivery. So once you are done with these details, you click verify email. At this point, a confirmation code has been sent to my email, so type in that confirmation code and click verify. So guys, we are done with creating our JAMB profile page. So the next thing I want to show you guys is how you can check your IBAS. You go back to the JAMB portal and here you see IBAS. Click on it. The first information you see is a warning telling you that Ibadan is not admitting candidates. So you have a lot of things to learn in this IBAS. You just have to go through the link one after the other. I'm sure you will learn a lot. So thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you.